stories over here. So
it's cool, but it's creepy at the same time.
And it's like beautiful.
I wish we had a day with it.
Like over here, I think they have these up because they normally say that if you